Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to get coins in eFootball, which are super important for signing players and upgrade to your player. So make sure you stick to the end of the video and let's get started with the video. Coins are the premium currency in eFootball. The easiest way to get them is by purchasing through the in-game store. Just tap on the shop and select the coin pack you want, but it will cost you quite a bit of money. And if you are a free-to-play player, you can simply earn free coins by completing campaign missions, logging in daily, and participating in special events as well. Always check the reward tab so you don't miss out on any free coins. Sometimes eFootball runs seasonal campaigns or maintenance compensation where they give players free coins, so keep an eye on unattended for these bonuses as well. Once you have coins, you can use them wisely on special players pack or premium contract to strengthen your dream team, and that's how you can get coins in eFootball. Whether you buy them or earn them through events, they are the key to building a top squad. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how many coins you have saved up till now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.